So welcome to all of you Shiksha 360, and today basically we will discuss chapter number 1 of AFB MCQs. Clear, that is a numerical portion. Clear, as many students are facing difficulty in that portion. So let's discuss some numericals of chapter number 1. And for JIB basically you can join. For PPB, accounts and legal. Clear, basically for 3 subjects you can also join. So let's start our discussion. The question number. This is basically chapter number 1 part 2. Clear. Earlier basically we have discussed 6 to 7 numericals on chapter number 1. Hope you have already gone through that. So now let's discuss question present on your screens now. Clear, these are the doubts basically of some students. So directly I will take the questions basically which students ask. Clear. So here what they saying that basically Z needs 15 lakh for the marriage of his daughter. Clear, basically Z needs 15 lakh for the marriage of his daughter basically at the end of 5th year. Clear, basically when at the end of 5th year. Considering that the interest rate here is rate of interest, we can say that 10% at present. So what amount basically he will have to deposit in the bank FDR with yearly compounding. Clear, basically with yearly compounding. So what we have to find here, basically we have to find here present value. Basically future value they have given basically after 5 years that needs basically how much amount, that is 15 lakh. So future value here is this to be 15 lakh. Time basically they have also given that is 5 years. So now what we have to do here, basically these are the 4 options. Basically just we have to calculate the answer. Clear. So directly here we know that what is the future value is equal to present value into 1 plus r power n. Clear. This is the formula basically we have discussed in the chapter number 1 part 1 in the theory session. Just you have to implement that formula here. This type of question you will directly find basically in the CAB retail examination also. Clear, basically retail, it is one of the elective in the CAB. You will find this type of question in that examination also. Clear, that just we have to implement that formula. Here future value they have given 15 lakh. Present value we have to find that into rate 1 plus 10%, 10 upon 100, that is 0.1. 1 plus 0.1 power 5. So present value is equal to 15 lakh upon 1.1 power 5. Clear. So this is the value basically. Now we have to find out what is the present value. So please calculate fast what is the answer. So here basically what we will get here 9,31,382 rupees approximately. Clear, 382 rupees approximately. Clear. So according to that basically this one is our answer. Clear. So this one is our answer. So one thing basically I will tell you. Clear, basically when they will ask this type of question. Clear, basically when they will ask this type of question, what you have to do here. Clear, basically what you have to do here, just directly basically you have to put the values in the formula and try to calculate the answer. Clear, basically in the case of FDR. Clear, most of the time basically you have to use this formula, that is future value is equal to present value into 1 plus r power n. Clear, this formula basically you have to use. Clear, in most of the cases basically when they are asking any question regarding to the FDR. Clear, that is regarding to the FDR. Now move to the next question, basically similar type of question, but there is a little bit difference in that. Clear. So first of all we will discuss that question. Here what they are saying, that Z needs 15 lakh for the marriage of his daughter at the end of 5th year. Clear, same thing. Considering that the interest rate is 10%. Clear, here the interest rate is 10%. Earlier also interest rate is 10%. So how much lesser amount basically will he have to deposit in the bank FDR if the compounding is half yearly and not yearly? Clear, in the previous case basically compounding is yearly, and here basically they are saying that basically compounding is half yearly. Clear. So we already know that. Clear, we already know that in the case of half yearly. Clear, basically in the case of half yearly, rate of interest it is to be divided by 2. Time basically it is to be multiplied by 2. Clear, rate of interest it is to be divided by 2 and time it is to be basically multiplied by 2. Okay, so this is the thing here. Just we have to implement present value is equal to future value upon 1 plus r power n. This is the thing they given. What is the future value here? 15 lakh upon 1 plus r here is equal to 10%, that is 10 upon 100. Okay, divide by 2, clear? So 10 upon 200. Okay, this we can say that, or just we can say that 10 upon 2. Here it is to be 2 into 5. This is to be 10% till now. So 15 lakh upon 1 plus 5%. This is to be 10. Okay, 15 lakh upon 1 plus 0.05 power 10. So now we have to solve that. Clear? This is the present value, that is half yearly. That is half yearly. And we have to calculate basically how much amount basically we have to, how much lesser amount. What is the difference? Clear? So here basically they are asking basically what is the difference. This is the present value in the case of half yearly. Okay, so now basically we can calculate 15 lakh divided by 1.1 power 10. So here that basically comes out to be, so 1.1 not, it is basically 1.05 divided by 1.05 power 10. So here basically we will get a, that is present value, that is half yearly, 9,20,870 rupees. Clear? 9,20,870 rupees approximately. Okay, and basically present value, that is yearly 9 lakh. Present value yearly, that is 9,31,382 rupees. Okay, this one. So now basically we have to calculate basically how much lesser amount will he has to deposit. Clear? So lesser, basically what is the difference between both? So now calculate 9,31,382 rupees, 9,20,870 rupees. So here it is to be 2,1501. So 10512, it is our answer. Clear? So 10512, it is our answer. So this one is the answer. Clear? So this one is the answer. So please tell fast. Now this question is clear to all of you. What is the basic difference? How they are asking? Just what we have to do, just simply basically we have to implement the formula, that is future value is equal to present value into 1 plus r power n. So as they are asking basically quarterly, so we have to divide it by 4 and time it is to be multiplied by 4. In the case of monthly, rate is to be divided by 12 and time it is to be multiplied by 12. Clear? So as per the given question, clear? So as per the question, basically your content is to be changed. Clear? Basically your formula is to be changed as per the given option. Clear? Just you have to remember these things while solving the question. So now move to the next question, question number 3. So I request all of you, please try to solve this question. What they are saying that here, X obtains a loan. Clear? X obtain a loan of rupees this much amount. That is loan of how much amount? That is 4,64,100 rupees at 10% compound interest from Y. Clear? Basically X takes a loan of this much amount. Basically compound interest here is to be 10%. From whom? Basically from Y. That to be repaid basically in 4 equal installment annually. Clear? That is 4 equal installments. Clear? So what we have to calculate, that is the amount of annual installment. Clear? That is the amount of annual installment. Clear? 4 equal installment. Clear? That is annual installment. Clear? So basically in that question where they have given that the annually installment, there is no need to divide the rate by 12. Clear? There is no need to divide the rate by 12. Clear? In that case. Clear? So just we have to put the formula here. EMI is equal to. So please tell fast what is the formula of the EMI. EMI is equal to P into R into. So please tell fast so that all of you are able to remember or not. P into R into 1 plus R power n upon 1 plus R power n minus 1. Clear? Upon 1 plus R power n minus 1. Clear? Just I am written here. Wait a minute. P into R into 1 plus R power n upon 1 plus R power n minus 1. Clear? This is the formula of the EMI. Clear? This is the formula of the EMI. Clear? So now just we have to put the values here. Now what we have to do, just we have to put the values here. So P here it is to be 4,64,000. R here is equal to 10%. N here is equal to 4. 4,64,000 into 0.1 into 1 plus 0.1 power 4 upon 1 plus 0.1 power 4 minus 1. Okay, just they are asking this one way. So here we have to calculate 4,64,000 into 0.1. So it comes out to basically 4,64,000 into 1.1 power 4. It comes out to basically 1.4641 upon 0.4641. Clear? So this is 1.4641 minus 1. Clear? Now we have to solve this one. 1.4641 into 4,64,000 divided by 0.4641. So it comes out to basically 1,46,378 rupees. Clear? Approximately this one, according to me, basically, if I'm not doing any error at any place, this one is going to be the answer. So 1,46,000. Clear? So here they have given the none of the above. Clear? Basically here they have given the none of the above. If in the question they have not given the none of the above, so basically we will go with this answer. Clear? We will go with this answer, as basically the answer is basically approximately near to that. Clear? As the answer is approximately near to that. Clear? So just because in the examination basically very rarely they have given none of the above, so basically we will take this option. Clear? So we will take this option. Okay, so I think in the question basically they have given 4,64,100. Clear? We have taken 4,64,000. This is to be 100 here. So please change this value. Clear? Now I think we will go with the correct answer. Clear? 4,64,10 into 1.4641 divided by 0.4641. Yes, exactly. Basically we will get this one answer. Okay, because here I will take the wrong value. This one is the correct. Clear? So this one is the answer. Now move to the next question. This is also very easy question, but we have to understand that also. Same concept here. Basically, Mr. K has deposited rupees 20,000 with his bank at 12% interest for 2 years. So what will be the amount he is likely to receive if compounding is annually? Clear? If a compounding is annually. Clear? So basically how much amount they have deposited, that is principal here, it is to be rupees 20,000. And interest rate here is to be 12%. Time here is to be 2 years. And here compounding it is to be annually. So just we have to calculate basically what will be the amount he is likely to receive. That is basically we have to calculate the future value. So how we can calculate the future value is equal to present value into 1 plus r power n. Okay, I will say that basically 90% of the question you will have to apply this formula. Clear? So present value here it is to 20,000. 1 plus 0.12 power 2. So 20,000 into 1.12 power 2. Just we have to 1.12 square into 20,000. So 25,088 rupees. Clear? 25,088 rupees. Okay, directly you have to put the formula and get the answer. So this one is our answer. Clear? So this one is our answer. Okay, these questions are never be typical. Clear? In the examination, basically you will find 2 to 3 these types of questions. Clear? There is a little bit difference. Just you have to understand what the question say that. Clear? What the question say that, and how basically we have to apply the formula. Now move to the next question. Similar type of question. Here they have given that basically it is compounded half yearly. Clear? So Mr. K has deposited rupees 20,000 with his bank at 12% per annum interest rate, basically for the 2 years. So what will be the amount basically he is likely to receive? Clear? What will be the amount basically he is likely to receive if a compounding is half yearly? Clear? Basically if the compounding is a half yearly. So future value basically we have to find that present value into 1 plus r power n. present value 20,000 into 1 plus 0.12. It is to be half yearly, so rate is to be divided by 2, time it is to be multiplied by 2. So 20,000 into 1 plus 0.06 power 4. So 1.06 power 4 into 20,000. So what amount basically we will get here? 25,250 rupees. Clear? 25,250 rupees. Basically this much amount basically we will get here. So this one is the answer here. Okay, so this one is the answer. Clear? In the examination, basically just they are twisting the question. Clear? Now move to the next question. So here what they say that basically Z plans to invest an amount. Clear? This is a little bit different question, so we have to understand very carefully. Clear? What they are saying that here. Basically in this question, what they are saying that basically Z plans to invest an amount. Clear? Basically here Z basically plans to invest an amount of rupees 15,000. Clear? Basically how much amount basically Z is planning? Rupees 50,000 at the beginning of each of 3 years. Clear? Here they are specially mentioned that is basically at the beginning. So basically in which annuity basically we have to deposit the amount basically in the beginning. Clear? Basically in which annuity, that is ordinary annuity or the annuity due. Basically in the ordinary, sorry, in the annuity due. Clear? In the annuity due basically we have to deposit the amount at the beginning. So here we know that basically this is the question regarding the annuity due. So now what is that? Now we have to understand basically either we have to calculate present value or future value. Now we will move toward the next question, next point. So what is the present value? Clear? Now we know that basically we have to calculate the present value of the amount he would get basically at the end of 3 years. Clear? What is the present value? Clear? Basically what is the present value of the amount? Clear? Annually basically how much amount basically they are investing, that is rupees 15,000, and at the starting of the month. Clear? And at the starting of the month. Clear? So just we have to put the A plus A upon R into 1 plus R power n minus 1 upon 1 plus R power n minus 1. Clear? So this is the formula they have given. So A, that is basically annual payment, that is 15,000. R here is equal to 10%, that is 0.10. N here is equal to given 3 years. So just we have to put the value here, that is A. What is A here? 15,000 plus 15,000 upon 0.1 into 1 plus 0.1 power 2 minus 1 upon 1 plus 0.1 power 2. Okay, this is the formula they have given, that is 15,000 plus 1,50,000 into 1.1 power 2. Clear? 1.1 power 2, 1.21 minus 1 upon 1.21. Clear? 1.21 minus 1 divided by 1.21 into 1,50,000. So this comes out to basically 15,000 plus 26,033 rupees after solving this one. Clear? So overall basically what we will get here, 41,033 rupees. So what is the answer here? This one, not this one, this one is the answer. Okay, so basically in the examination, basically they will ask these different types of question. And in the examination, clear, basically what we have to remember, clear, what we have to remember that basically we have to remember that basically which formula basically we have to apply here. Clear? I will write here once again all the formulas of the annuity. First one is the ordinary annuity. Clear? Ordinary annuity. What is the present value? A upon R into 1 plus R power n minus 1 upon 1 plus R power n. And future value. Clear? What is the future value here? Is equal to A upon R into 1 plus R power n minus 1. Okay. Here they have given that PVIFA factor. Clear? Basically, we are using directly solve the question with the formula. Clear? We are not using this factor. Clear? So I request to all of you in the examination, basically, if they ask any question regarding that, just you have to directly use these formulas to answer the question. Clear? Use these formulas to answer the question. Clear? No need to think over any other thing. Clear? Just you have to use these formulas to answer the question. Clear? Because in the examination, basically, they will ask directly the numerical based question. And now in the case of annuity due, what is the present value, which we have already discussed? Clear? This is the annuity due. Present value, that is A plus A upon R into 1 plus R n minus 1 upon 1 plus R n minus 1. Next one is the future value. Clear? What is the future value in that case? Is equal to, here I will write future value is equal to A upon R into 1 plus R power n minus 1 into 1 plus. Clear? So this is the value. Okay, so all these four formulas, basically you have to remember. Clear? Because in the examination, basically they will ask any of the question basically on the basis of that. Clear? So I request to all of you, please remember all these questions. So in this session, basically we will discuss up to this much point. Hope it is clear to all of you basically what are the different types of question basically they will ask in the examination. Clear? They will ask in the examination. Clear? So please remember all this question. We'll provide you some more questions for the practice purpose in the group. And in the next session, basically we will start with the new topic. Clear? We will start with the new topic. So thanks to all of you for joining this session.